This is the Stitch Pink quilt designed by Moda Fabrics using fabrics from the Grunge collection. And there are 30 blocks, 30 12-inch blocks in the quilt. And in October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, starting October 1st, you'll go to Moda's website and you'll be able to download a block pattern each day. So day 1, you'll download the first block pattern, day 2, the second. And it goes like that through the 30th of October. And the 31st of October, you'll have the finishing instructions. It was really fun to do this quilt. It was easy to put together, and I found that just doing one block at a time, so cut out a block, then piece the block. Don't try to do any speed piecing or anything, because that helped me out. And you can see the binding is done in 2 different fabrics, and this quilt has been quilted. So let's zoom in on it. So it's really fun quilt to do. I only changed out one block, and it's this block down here on day 29. Since I'm making this quilt in honor of my mother, Marie Vetrano, she was an awesome cross stitcher. So this block to me looked like cross stitching. So I changed out that block and put that one in. So you can order the fabric kits now, and I have a few kits left. And so you'll be ready on October 1st to start Stitch Pink.